like, man, should have. It's better than the GE though. Yeah. Adora. Oh, High Point. Adora is GE as well though. See, now we're locked. So in theory, it should go into drain and then spin. So see the drum trying? You can almost see a little movement, but it's not turning. So now, you see it? You see it shaking? Yeah. And that's gonna try and spin. Yeah. You can hear the motor. It's trying to turn. Yeah. And now it's letting water in. Not supposed to. Alright, so let's get underneath. Alright, so right now we're under the washer. Now, like I was showing the customer, when you go by theory of operation, your machine pretty much tells you what's wrong with it. So pay attention to how your washer operates, and you'll basically know when there's a problem and what the problem is. So initially, you put the washer into drain and spin. First thing it does, it locks the lid and of course drains the water, and then it should go into spin. And also you can actually hear the noise the motor was trying to spin. So basically the belt was off. Now the belt usually can come off either from overloading, or sometimes when you get too much oil or grease, sometimes it gets on the belt gets slippery and it slips off. So replace the belt. The belts are cheap. The customer is going to be installing the belt. I sent them a link, pretty straightforward, and we were able to actually trim the loose pieces on that particular belt, and you'll see shortly the washer was up and running. So easy on the loads, that's the main thing. But once the belt was on, washer was working just fine. Also guys, make sure you check that your speed sensor is not damaged. So you will see it when you take your belt off. It's going to be under your motor. So make sure if that part is damaged, your washer will not go into spin. It will spin just a little bit and will not continue to spin. So keep that in mind. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we'll put that in.
Does it spin differently depending on which one
It so it starts slow and then it ramps up. In fact, it's picking up speed as we yeah. strike back in and did it unlock? Yeah.